Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. You're doing fine. So, guys, I hope you're going to like this hairstyle. I'm always share different hairstyle, natural hairstyle with curl, without curl. So, today I bring for you two types of hairstyle. Okay, guys. So if you want to put something on your hair, you want to look good, you want to feel so comfortable, I bring for you hair for work, okay, for school, for holiday, So it's better to watch the video up to end so that you can find something here to put on your hair. If you want to put something on your short hair, like this one, it's better watch the video up to end. Okay, guys. So if your first time actually to find this channel, please give me support. Don't forget subscribe, don't forget like, don't forget share. If you find here something and you should like to put on your hair, you can share. Okay, guys. So this is really so beautiful, makes you feel comfortable. Look at this hair, and the same way you can protect your hair. Okay, guys. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. You're going to like it. you know it's really so beautiful, it's really so simple, and you can find here elegant hairstyle, makes you feel so comfortable, makes you feel comfortable, feel cute and beautiful. As a lady, as a woman, you have to look so beautiful all the time. So guys, I hope you're going to find here something for really simple natural hairstyle with curls, without curls. So you make sure, if you want to find something to put on your hair, to watch this video, just I bring for you different hairstyle on this video. Okay, on one video, but you're going to find different hairstyle to put on your hair. Okay, so if you want to something, if you want to style your hair but you're looking something to put your hair but you don't find it, it's better to watch the video up to end so that you can find it. You find something here. Okay, guys, you can see this hair. Number one, it's quick. You can do it for yourself every day, or so you can do it for yourself at home. Another thing, if you cannot do it yourself, you can go to salon, but those simple hairstyle, it's better to do it for yourself because it can be expensive to you to always to go to salon. But if you learn something to put on your hair, like you can subscribe on this channel. So if you want to put something quick on your hair every day or after 3 days or 4 days, so it's better to learn something so that if you learn something, so that means you're going to always to style your hair. That means you're going to look always, you're going to look good. So like this style is like it's really really simple, and the thing and the good way you can do it yourself. So it's better to do it yourself. But if you're not, you find something like you can go to salon, someone to make for you, to do it for you perfectly. Okay, so like this one, you can say cannot do it for myself, and you can go to salon to do it for you. So guys, and once again, I'm really I want to thank you to subscribe this channel. Don't forget that to subscribe on this channel. I'm always here. I'm always here to share natural hairstyle. This hair is not just for me, for everyone. For everyone. So I'm not sure for just to for it's not for me to watch the or to find here, but if I decided to bring something here, I hope you can find something. If you have a natural hair, if you don't have a natural hair, you can find here something to put on your hair. You can find here natural hairstyle, French hairstyle, first first hairstyle for each hair. So guys, I hope you can find teenagers. If you're not a teenager, you're a woman from 18 up to 60, you can find it here, your style. So it's better to subscribe on my channel so that you can find something to learn, something to put on your hair. So that if you learn something to put, I told you, if you learn something to put on your hair, that means you do not going to spend more money for salon. Okay, so you can sit down for at home and do it for yourself, and you can save that money. Okay, guys, so enjoy the video up to end. Don't forget, guys, don't forget subscribe, don't forget give me a like, don't forget share, and the other thing, you can comment to tell me something. If you should tell me anything, if you like the video, if I think maybe if you like the what hairstyle, or so guys, you can, you can drop your comment. Okay, guys, look at this. So I share different hairstyle for ready, garage, woman, for school, for holiday, for work, for church. You can find it here, everything you should like to put on your hair. Okay, guys, enjoy the video up to end, and just I hope you're going to find it here. This is really simple hairstyle, simple hairstyle. I'm sure you can do it for yourself at home. You just buy your things and put it in, and to start to style your hair. You just buy gel, comb, blow dry, do buy dryer, hand dryer, and you so that you can start to style yourself at home to save that money for always to go to salon. Okay, I think it makes sense. Okay, guys, so enjoy the video up to God. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me like, don't forget to share and comment. God bless you more, 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 more. Who are going to subscribe?